Here we have a Sherline mini lathe. I'll show you that it does operate. Motor operates. Has variable speed control. And it appears that all the parts are here. Here's your mini lathe chuck. This is your cross slide, your drive belt, the hardware for mounting the motor. It may be missing some additional parts, not quite sure, but it appears that everything is here. We check longitudinal movement. There's your tailstock movement right there. And this ships in the original box. It's an open box item.